Here's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. From the striking looks to the proven powertrain technologies that are up to any task, this Silverado stands out from the rest. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: Bluetooth streaming audio, power heated mirrors, manual tilting steering column, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, air conditioning, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Edmunds.com reports the Silverado pickup is just as adept at serving as the weekday family car as it is at transporting home improvement supplies or towing a boat on the weekends. Performance, value, durability, Chevy. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.